Welcome back to another LP Gallery tutorial. Today we're going to show you a quick way of how to change some colors in your clip art objects. So here we have four objects. We have two glass ornaments and we have two balloons. The glass ornaments come from our Christmas series of clip art, so if you're interested in creating any kind of Christmas clip art, you can check out our videos on that. Now the balloons, if you look closely, you'll notice that they're really nothing more than the glass ornaments with some minor modification. So what we try to do with our clip art videos is we try to show you how to reuse things. We're very big in creating once and reusing. Now the two objects to the left are going to stay green. The two objects to the right are going to change. So I'm going to just quickly run through the color change and then I'll explain what we're actually doing. So very quickly I'm going to go to my color themes and I'm going to just run through them, and you'll notice the two objects to the right are changing color. So very quickly they're changing color. Now you notice that the gold does not change color. So you can create clip art objects where certain colors will change and certain will stay consistent and not change. So how does that work? How do we do this? It's very simple. I'm going to start by clicking on one of the objects here in the glass ornament. So here's a green circle, and you can see that I'm using green colors. I got two green colors. And if I click here, you can see that I'm actually using the theme green colors. So I'm using PowerPoint 2013, and this is the PowerPoint 2013 color palette. So you can see that the last column is in fact green. So all the green here is being taken from this last column. So I'm sticking to the theme colors. So when I stick to the theme colors and I go to my colors here and I run my mouse pointer on them, what's happening is the last color, which is the green in Office 2013, is being replaced by the last color in each one of these themes. So that's basically all there is to it. And very quickly, you change it. So all the dark, the light values stay exactly the same. What's changing is the color. That's all it is. Okay? So what about the gold? So if I click on the gold is using actually a theme color too. So if I look here, you'll see that I actually originally used the gold color right here, the gold color column for each one of these. So why isn't the gold changing? Well, I just made a minor modification to each one of these stops. So all I have to do was go to my colors, go to more colors, and make one value change here. It doesn't matter whether you use the red, green, or blue. You just spin these up one or down, just one number change on any of these will break that from the theme. So I did that to each one of these stops. Then I used my format painter and just applied it to all the other gold so that it wouldn't change. We have colors that change and colors that stay consistent. So let me do that again. I'm going to go to my colors, just run through there, and once again my theme colors, which are the green, are being replaced by other theme colors. The gold is staying consistent. Simple as that. Now, having said that, it's very important that you don't do this on your good PowerPoint slide. Remember, when you're changing theme colors, you're changing the theme colors for all your slides. So what you want to do is create another PowerPoint presentation just with one slide, and what you would do is copy those, paste into that PowerPoint slide, and make your theme color. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to copy this. I'm going to select all this. I'm going to copy it. And I happen to have a blank PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste it, and there it is. So on this blank PowerPoint presentation, I'm now going to change my theme colors. So let's say I wanted, let's say the blue one. I like the blue. So I've got that. I'm going to copy that, return back to my good PowerPoint presentation, and here's the second part of the trick. So I'm going to paste it. I'm going to right click. Now I'm going to look at my paste icons here, my smart paste icons here, and this is the default. It will paste it in as a destination theme. So my destination theme here is PowerPoint 2013, so it goes back to being green. Now I've got a second icon here. So if I look at that one, it says keep source formatting. That means it'll actually take the theme colors from the other one and use them here. But the fact that it says keep source formatting and it doesn't mention anything about themes means that these aren't going to be part of the theme colors. They're just keeping them as formatted colors. So if I do that, if I click that and I drag them down here and I go back to change my theme colors, you'll notice that the blue does not change. Okay, so when you use the keep source formatting colors, PowerPoint breaks that from the theme and just applies the color. So there it is. And again, so you're going to do this on a blank PowerPoint presentation. You're not going to do this on your good ones. And as fast as you go through them, it's as fast you can create these objects. So you can see that very quickly they can be created. So let's say I want that. I would copy that, paste it as source formatting, come back to here, choose something else, and just keep doing that. In no time, you have a whole bunch of different PowerPoint clip art. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, check out our other videos on how to create your own PowerPoint clip art. We try to create our PowerPoint clip art videos for the average PowerPoint user, so we try not to do any drawing. We just try to use our PowerPoint shapes, combine them together into objects. And we try to get you to look at the shapes differently, because we're going to combine our PowerPoint shapes in a lot of different ways to create really good looking objects, and they're going to be very impressive, but they're done very simply. So if you're interested in creating your own PowerPoint clip art, check out our other PowerPoint videos in creating clip art. Thank you for watching, and we hope to catch you on the next video.